Hello and welcome, dear friends. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll share my experience replacing two services, Slack and Trello, with a pretty nice WordPress plugin. I want to tell you why I made this switch and what problems it actually solved for me. I'm sharing this experience because I think it can help you succeed too, especially if you've been juggling separate tools for chat and task management. By really using this plugin the way I'll show you, you can bring both of those workflows into one place inside WordPress. I was able to manage my team much better than I had before. I got better results in this area of my work, and I was able to do it all more easily without the stress I used to feel. Now let's look closer, dear friends, because this matters. There are 3 important points here. 3 basic challenges with using these tools. The first one is staying focused. When you're using services like Slack or Trello, you have to work across a bunch of different domains at the same time. And switching between all these different domains constantly pulls your attention away from the actual task in front of you. Switching between so many different tools makes it hard for your team to communicate easily with each other. And there's a psychological cost too. Jumping between all these different domains, all these different platforms, can make it harder for people to adjust. It slows them down when they need to enter data, and it slows them down when they need to communicate with the rest of the team. Let's talk about another challenge, and that's cost. Outside services often charge 10 times more, and they charge that much for the exact same result. A single WordPress plugin does that same job. It costs about 1/10 of that price, and it works right inside your dashboard. Best part, you manage everything from one place. That place is your own site. You never have to switch platforms. There's even a built-in messenger, so your team can communicate directly. Take a quick look at what's on screen right now. Now, let's look at our team task system all together. And the third point is data retention. On Slack or Trello, your data only sticks around for a short time before it disappears, since those platforms limit how long messages and files stay accessible. But on your own site, that changes completely. Once you activate this system on your own WordPress, your data gets stored without any limit. It simply stays there, safe on your own server, for as long as you need it, fully under your control. Your whole team's information stays safe forever. Even if there's a gap before you continue working, it's still there waiting for you, exactly where you left it. You don't need to pay anything, just to keep your data stored and accessible. That's the real benefit of this plugin. It's worth remembering as we go through the rest of this tutorial. But keep in mind, we're working with a messaging plugin. It's built specifically for WordPress. It handles conversations right inside your site without sending you anywhere else. There's a powerful messenger plugin called Lumo Team Messenger. It's really appealing to teams looking for a simple way to chat. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. This gives you a complete messenger built right into the platform. Message team members directly, one-on-one. Create groups for teams to talk together. Set up channels for different topics or projects. Team members connect and stay in touch. They do this without ever leaving the platform. Inside the messenger, send voice messages back and forth. Share files right there in the chat. You can connect the messenger to a separate database. That keeps it apart from your site's own database. For your files, connect to FTP or a file hosting service. And you can connect it to Telegram Messenger too. Once you do that, you'll start receiving GIF files, stickers, and things like that right inside your chats. All of it comes through an incredibly complete and powerful messenger. That's what Lumo Team Messenger covers when it comes to chatting. But this plugin doesn't stop there at just handling your messages. It goes further, giving you more than just those chatting features you've already seen. There's still more it can do for you. What you're looking at now is the Task Manager and Task Management system. Here you can create different boards for each project you're working on. You can set tasks for yourself to keep track of your own work, or you can create a task and assign it to someone else on your team. Notice how each board updates instantly as new tasks come in, so everyone stays on the same page. It's a very complete system with special features built right in. Some of these features go beyond what you'd find in systems like Slack or Trello. Take a moment to look at how everything is laid out on the screen and get familiar with where things are. So, You'll have a complete modern system running right on your own WordPress site for managing all your tasks. And if you set up roles properly, you can easily give anyone on your team access whenever they need it. That means your whole team can stay connected to the same tasks. You'll have full oversight of everything happening, and everyone stays connected with each other. Now let's go over to our browser. I'll show you exactly how this looks in action. Let's install the Lumo WP Team Messenger plugin and take a look at what it offers once it's active. Here you can see a view of the Team Messenger. It's set up as a group with several members already in it. Right here you can see the files that have already been shared between them. You can use it this way, simply browsing through what's already there. Or you can easily send a message to your friends whenever you need to reach out to them directly. You can chat quickly and easily right from this panel. In the Task Management section, on the left menu, you'll find two menus, Management and Monitoring. Here you can see tasks organized by their current status. You can create new tasks, move cards between stages, and add notes as work progresses. Enter important information, comments included, right along the way. Installing this plugin is really easy. You'll see that for yourself in just a moment. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. This opens a search screen. Type the plugin's name there. It installs the same plugin on your site. Just head over to lumowp.com and check out the plugins page there. You'll be able to see exactly what it offers you. You can view the current version, read through the changelog, and see everything else about it, all listed clearly for you. The pricing stays very low, no matter which option you pick. Here you have the option to get the plugin license for just one site, or you can choose a license that covers several sites instead. Either way, you're still paying that same very low cost. Choosing the annual plan gives you comfortable access to every feature included in the system. The price stays exactly the same, no matter which features you decide to use. What really changes between the different plans is simply how many sites you want to activate it on. Take a look at the pricing details for yourself. You can also grab the plugin directly at lumowp.com. To install it, I just go to Add Plugins and click Choose File. Then I select the plug-in file I already prepared. Next, I click the Install button to start the installation. Okay, the plugin has finished installing now. All that's left is to click the Activate button. This turns the plug-in on. Once the plugin is installed, an option called Messenger appears here. Under Messenger, there are a few options for you to see. One is Messenger itself, one is Task, and one is Settings and Monitoring. If I click on Messenger, it first asks me for a license, so I go ahead and enter that license. Okay, once we activate it, it asks us to configure the database next. This step matters because the database is really important for how Messenger works. I click Go to Setup. Now it asks where we want the database placed. This site's current one or a different one. We make that choice here before moving forward. Or you could choose an external database instead. If you pick external, you provide the login details for a separate database, so Messenger connects entirely to that one. But for our setup, using this built-in database is perfectly fine, because its own table stays separate from everything else already there. Okay, let's go ahead and click the Install button now. Watch as the system creates everything for us automatically, right there on the page. You see, Messenger opens right up, and now we can message our friends. Dear friends, take a look at that. If you click into the Settings section, you'll find a series of options to go through. Each one lets you adjust how the tool behaves. Let's take a look at them together now. Look, we can change the color scheme ourselves. Depending on your company's colors, you can pick different shades for the overall palette. This way, it matches your branding closely. And here, you can put your team name, like lumowp.com. You could even add a logo here as well. Now it asks who has access to the team messenger. In other words, it's asking who can message each other within the team. It's also asking who should be left out of those conversations. I've set up a few regular test accounts to try this with. Normally, these accounts don't need this particular access turned on. But once that access is enabled, here's what happens inside Messenger. Watch closely as I go and search for my colleagues by name. You'll notice something changes right away. I'll walk you through exactly what that change means for you.
Look, it brings up the people right away as soon as I start typing. I can message my colleague right here, just like this. You can see how easily you can send messages to anyone on the team with no extra steps needed. Now here in the test section, you've got some pre-built cards ready to go. But you're not stuck using them exactly as they are. You can customize each one as you like, changing the details to fit your needs. You can even create dedicated boards for different projects, so each one stays organized on its own, separate from the others. For example, up there, I'll click and create a board. Let's call it a UI design board. Now, I'll add the people we need for this board. Once the board is created, I can start adding tasks right inside it. Let me create one task here, just as an example, so you can see exactly how it works. And right over here, I can leave a note, either for myself to remember later or for my team to read. This way, I can leave a comment, attach a file, and set up the task, all from that same single place. It keeps everything organized in one view. Nothing gets lost or scattered across a bunch of different tools. You can set a date for it, like a due date. That way, you know exactly when it needs to be finished. You can also assign it to someone. That makes a specific person responsible for completing it. Here, you can pick a color for its label. This helps you organize your cards visually, just by looking at them. For example, you could add a design label. That would mark this card as design-related work. Now go ahead and hit save. Okay, our first card is saved, and this button you see here is for something specific. We'll get into exactly what it does shortly. If a task is running late, we can reopen it easily, so nothing gets forgotten. Basically, it creates a nudge, so we keep following up on the project until it's done. And you can place that reminder on different cards, whichever ones you need it for. Now, in the Messenger section, we've got some settings too, so let's take a look. We can create a group, for instance, to keep everyone connected on this project. Up here, we can create a group. I'll type in design group as the name for it. Then I'll add a few of my colleagues to it. That way, everyone stays in the loop and knows what's happening.
Here, I can make someone an admin. We have a group, and we can see the files separately here. If we click these buttons, we can see group members, make them admin, or give them roles. Overall, this messenger system is very powerful. You have plenty more settings, but to keep this video from running long, I'll stop here. And keep in mind, this messenger, take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Keep this point in mind as we move through the next part. This is one of those details that really matters in practice. This also lets you show everything on the front end. It gives you a link, and anyone with access can log in right there. They can simply use the front end page without ever logging into the dashboard itself. They can go there, open a chat, and talk directly with their coworkers. Over in the connection section, you'll find a variety of different settings you can adjust. You can also set up a connection to FTP. From there, you can transfer your files over to that FTP location. These settings are simple, so let's go through them step by step. First, turn Messenger on right here for easy access. Once it's switched on, you can use it to message your friends directly. Take care, and goodbye for now.